Phil here from Zonmaster with a quick tip for you. I wanted just to show you how easy it is to get our auto review requester going. Now, if you know what I'm talking about, it's this feature on Amazon that lets you tell Amazon to ask the customer to leave you a review. So to use this feature inside of Amazon, you go to your Amazon Seller Central, you go to your orders, manage orders, and however it is you want to find an order, let's say by searching, you go and you get your order details and you click request a review, and then you say, are you sure you want to request a review for this order? And you click yes. You have to go through that entire process for every order that you want to request a review from if you're going to use Amazon, or you can use the auto review requester inside of Zonmaster. So let's take a look at how we do that here. So here at Zonmaster, what we did instead is give you a way to automate that. You simply turn that on, and if you want, you can set up some conditions, but otherwise you just turn it on and we will go out and tell Amazon to ask the customers to leave you a review at the right time. Because the other thing is, of course, you can't just do this anytime. You can only do it in a specific window, and that is after the product has been delivered for 5 days, in between 5 and 30 days. So you can only go back 30 days with this. That's an Amazon rule as well. So let's take a look at how you do that. So we're going to go into our Zonmaster dashboard. Here we can see these people have been selling a few products every day, and they've got a bunch, of course, that are delivered back here. So we want to go out and ask those customers for reviews. So what we need to do, first thing we need to do is make sure that we have done the Seller Central integration. And this will let us go into your Seller Central account automatically for you. We have this page here that under the settings, Seller Central integration, and it's extended Seller Central integration, and it will step you through what you need to do and the permissions you need to set up. So you need to have all this done before we can activate the auto review requester. But once you have done that, let's just go back to the dashboard to be a little clear. When you have done that, let's just go to the emails menu and the first item, which is auto review requester. So we're gonna, with a couple of champagne glasses there because we make life so easy. So let's go to auto review requester, and here we can see that this is not requesting. You have not enabled reviews for any of your stores. So we simply click on this, and this takes you to your store setting page, and it's this one button. That's all you have to do. Turn that on, you'll get a little notification up here, review request updated, and that's it. Now we will go off and start sending reviews, review requests via Amazon to your customers. And if you want, you can do some additional settings. Personally, I don't recommend doing this. You can choose specific products if you want. You can change the when you want this done, but the defaults are 5 and 30 because that's the maximum window that Amazon gives us. But also you can preview the review request. This is the kind of email that Amazon is going to send out on your behalf. It'll have your product image, it'll have some stars, and it also lets people rate your seller feedback as well. So this is awesome. I think that I can't actually think of a reason why you wouldn't turn this on, to be honest. One of the most important things you can do for your Amazon account is get reviews. The easiest way and the best way you can do that is by using the auto review requester inside of Zonmaster, because it will not violate any Amazon terms and conditions ever. It will use the customer's language. You know, if they buy from the German store, they will get email in German. It has all the relevant data, and it's a one-stop shop. And you can see now that it's turned on, and eventually we'll see some data in here that's the number of review requests that we've sent out. Anyway, that's how it is to set it up. I went on and on here, but really, once you're on the dashboard, you simply go dashboard, go up to emails, auto review requester, and click the button, to turn it on. So, hope that helps. Talk to you soon.